is that when they come down the runways, just seeing their nose wheel just get in the air and you just get a really good view of it.
You have a photo tracker?
The tracker?
Tracker app,
Yeah, I do.
That's what I'll do.
Except I have it in satellite mode, so then it's like more realistic with the world map. Alright, so KLM is just still... KLM's still in a holding pattern, so she'll be landing very soon on final approach. Yep. Here comes the satisfying bit, just hearing the engines spool up. Here she goes. Ready? And she's now gaining her speed. V1, rotate. Oh, look at all the water spraying out from the tyres. There it is. Yeah. You just see like parts of water from the rain just going on the tyres. Up in the air she goes. Farewell, old friend. Until next time.